come to $15,238. So we have our life vest and then some extra storage. And you got 2 nice hooks, 3 large drawers, 2 shelves. You got your safe. I love how it looks. And they're pretty large. You got 3 shelves and then you got 2 shelves on the other side. Also, they have lights so you can see inside your closet for once. It's really grand, I think. And then you got a nice long mirror. And then the bathroom, I love the color scheme. It's nice and light. You have 3 shelves here. In our room, it came with hand wash and body lotion. You get your conditioner, shampoo, and body wash as well. And it's pretty big, I think. It's actually really big. So the light down here is motion activated. So that's nice for when you want to go to the bathroom and don't want to turn the lights on. Then you have your thermostat, the big TV in front of the bed. Then you have your 2 nightstands. You have your 2 USB plugs plus a US outlet. You can control the whole room with the light switches over here. There's a light at the bottom of your nightstand, and if you were to step down, it's going to turn on automatically, so you don't have to turn on all the lights. So you have the same setup on this side. And then we have our couch. Look how pretty it is. It's like shimmery. And then we have our vanity over here. You have 2 drawers, which are soft closing. Also, you have 2 USBs, you have 2 US outlets, you have an international, and the light for the vanity. And then you have 2 shelves. You have a little mini fridge, which is fully stocked. You have another drawer here. So there's 3 drawers total. And you have your balcony, which is not an ordinary balcony. It's a grand corner balcony, which is so much room. Look at this, guys. I mean, come on. This is nice. I love it. But the downfall, everybody can see you at this end. Not up there, but over here. So we have 2 lounge chairs. Hopefully you get some sun when you're out here. I don't know. We'll see. And then you got 2 chairs and a table. And you can do cartwheels out here. So much room for activities.